In this module on mole concept, we will be understanding about the mole. Mole is a fundamental SI unit in chemistry used for the amount of a substance. Now if we take 1 dozen, we mean 12 things. It can be 12 apples or 12 oranges. If we say 2 dozen, it will become 24. Similarly, if we write 1 ream of paper, it means 500 sheets of paper. Now, atoms, molecules, and other subatomic particles are extremely small, and even 1 milligram of a substance contains trillions of atoms or molecules. Therefore, chemists used a quantity called mole. This 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Now if we have to define a mole, or how we arrive at this number. Now mole is defined as the amount of a substance which contains as many particles as there are in 0.12 kg of carbon 12. Now we know that one atom of carbon 12 weighs 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. So in 0.12 kg we have 12 grams. So 12 grams of carbon 12 will contain how many atoms? 12 divided by 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23. That is how we get this number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms per mole of carbon. So what do we get from this definition of the mole? That means 12 grams of carbon 12 contains how many atoms of carbon 12? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of C12. So what is this 12 grams? 12 grams is the atomic mass of carbon. So the atomic mass of carbon expressed in grams, if we take that much amount, how many particles is it having? It is having 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So if we talk about mole in terms of number, 1 mole of any substance contains how many particles? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So if we are taking 1 mole of sodium, it will contain the same 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So this 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is called as Avogadro's constant. So if we take 1 mole of sodium, it will contain Na atoms of sodium. If we take 5 moles, let's say we are taking 5 moles of sodium, how many atoms will it contain? It will contain 5 into Na number of atoms. What is this Na? Na is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, atoms or molecules. If we take 1 mole of carbon dioxide, it will contain Na molecules of carbon dioxide. So we get the equation number of moles is equal to number of particles that are present divided by the Avogadro's number, Na. N is the number of moles, capital N, this is the number of particles that are present, and Na is the Avogadro's number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So if we see this question, calculate the number of atoms in 2 moles of carbon. So we have, what is the number of moles? It is 2. So this in 2 moles of carbon, how many particles are present? So we have to calculate this number of particles N. N will be equal to number of moles into Avogadro's number. So what is the number of moles? 2 into Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So that will be equal to 12.046 into 10 to the power 23. What is this? Carbon. So atoms of carbon. Now in terms of mass, what is this mole? Mass of 1 mole of any substance is its atomic mass or molecular mass expressed in grams. So if we take 1 mole of sodium, the atomic mass of sodium is 23. So 1 mole of sodium weighs 23 grams. 1 mole of oxygen weighs, oxygen has atomic mass of 16U, so 32 grams. Carbon dioxide, how do we calculate the molecular mass of carbon dioxide? So if we take carbon dioxide, how do we calculate the molecular mass? It has 1 carbon, atomic mass is 12, so 1 into 12, plus there are 2 oxygen, atomic mass is 16, so it is equal to 44 U, that is unified mass. So if we have to calculate the number of moles in 0.23 grams of sodium, so number of moles is equal to mass by molecular mass. So what is given? 0.23 grams of sodium. So what is this? What is given? Mass is 0.23 grams. So number of moles N will be equal to 0.23 divided by, what is the atomic mass of sodium? 23 grams. So divided by 23, that will be equal to 0.01 moles. Now in terms of volume also we can say what a mole is. 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies 22.4 liters of volume. What is STP? STP is 0 degree C and pressure is 1 bar. If we take 1 mole of oxygen, it occupies 22.4 liters. 1 mole of carbon dioxide at STP also occupies 22.4 liters. 1 mole of nitrogen gas at STP occupies 22.4 liters. So 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies 22.4 liters. So number of moles, if we have to calculate, that will be equal to volume by 22.4 liters, where V is volume of gas in liters. So if we see this question, calculate the number of moles in 2.24 liters of oxygen at STP. So what is given? We are given volume as 2.24 liters. So number of moles will be equal to 2.24 divided by 22.4. So that will be equal to 0.1 moles. In my next video, we will be doing some more practice questions on moles. Please see the next video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Learn with Neera Sharma. Thank you.